Finally, we're back here on Alex's Fleetwood. Spider-Man has painted up the motor with a kind of a gloss satin scheme. It's kind of what Alex and everybody were talking about. Do mild custom. You're my light, Wessie.
Sorry.
There you go. Ooh, Cadillac. Sexy. That looks good. That's kind of hot. I may be half chub looking at this. I can say half chub. It's my channel. I'll do what I want. All right, so the motor's painted. We're going to pull this back off. We're going to get ready and potentially try to drop this baby in today, just so it's in and kind of mocked and situated. Then we go from there. Hood's off. Back there. So I'll try to stick this in here. Got a few things we gotta maneuver about.